Businesses are learning how strategic API access can be. Whether you're a developer, definitely if you're a developer, if you've dealt with Twitter, or in the case with Google in looking at access to the AdWords API. They've actually had addressed a couple of SEO vendors in terms of access to the API related to AdWords. The most interesting take on the increasing importance of APIs was announced by Webtrends. Webtrends introduced an analytic solution called Webtrends Streams. Now, what Webtrends Streams does is that it looks at customer interaction based on API data, and then helps the user come up with testing and targeting in real time, which the end result is better conversions and better engagement. I think this is very, very strategic. A lot of times when we think of analytics, we think of it in terms of metrics and dimensions. Metrics, the units that we choose to measure; dimensions, where those metrics are taking place. Increasingly, those dimensions are looking more and more like API streams. And Webtrends has definitely taken a leadership position in that role. And I think it's also very strategic for Webtrends. They're one of the more advanced web analytics solutions, but one of their competitors, Omniture, Adobe Omniture, Adobe Site Catalyst, I should say, is definitely taking a leadership position in terms of being used as an enterprise web analytics tool. With Webtrends Streams, there's capability for using it not only alongside Webtrends Analytics Solution Suite, but also other analytics solution suites as well. So there's a really good strategic use of that application. But what do you think? Do you think APIs are going to change analytics solutions within 2013, or do you think that we're still early on what those impacts should be? Share your thoughts here on allanalytics.com.